Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and if you are looking for a stunning pair of leather boots that are gonna last you a super long time, I wanna introduce you to these Frye boots. These are the Melissa Button 2, and these are an equestrian-style boot. They are a tall boot. They are made of vintage leather. This is the black color, and this is a size 11. And they're so gorgeous. So first of all, they're made with such a high quality leather, have an amazing feel to them. They have a small heel, but nothing big. And they are definitely made with care and made to last a very, very long time. So they have so many beautiful details, incredible stitching, and the hardware on them is just beautiful as well. And Frye is absolutely known for their incredible quality boots and the fact that they last so long and look amazing. Even when they're worn, they just start to look better and better over time. So if you are ready to get a beautiful, high quality pair of equestrian style boots, then I would definitely check out the Frye boots. They're not only so beautiful, but incredibly functional and durable. They last forever and they're a great quality product. That's my point of view.